Hi guys, welcome to this machine. It's the machine where we've recreated Carli. So you've seen that Carli changed and Carli 11 is no more basically. So that's that, as in no way we'll update it again. ArcoLinuxISO.com, we switched from XFCE to Cinnamon, right? So we have this as an end result, and it's a pure Arch thing with a few packages. But in the end, it's still up to you. It's very much up to you to install more and more packages. Sublime Text is there, Melt is there, Firefox is there, GNOME Terminal is there. That's it. Now, topic of this video is that we have already an SDDM theme, and I'm not a fan of it, right? So I would like to make this beautiful system have also a beautiful intro. So the SDDM is what greets you, but there is a theme, and I would like to have a new theme there. So I'm actually loving a theme that comes from GitLab. Let's see if we can find it. GitLab Simplicity is a nice title. If I type it correctly, Simplicity, I think so. And I think that's the URL. Let's have a look. If it's the URL, there is somewhere in here a commit or not a commit, but a issue that has been posted by me, ArcoLinux, right? And now it works. So 1 week ago, everything is now improved, even better. It was already great, right? Small little thing there. And this is what I would like to have as well as ArcoLinux as on Carli, but we'll see. We'll make another wallpaper and then it's completely different for the end user, but the same things work, right? So this is awesome. The question is, how do I get it on my distro? So in this case, we are going to grab it from Eric, you know, the guy of ArcoLinux. We're going to go to ArcoLinux, see if we can find something. If we do package build, GitHub, that's where we are. Let's see if we get something. The ArcoLinux package builds. Maybe in here, I don't know. ArcoLinux SDDM, ArcoLinux SDDM Simplicity. And yes, 3 months ago, probably still good. So what I'll do, so you can do exactly the same thing for your amusement or your distro, and that's that you just start copy pasting, right? We need another name. We need another name. Here we have created Carli Viper grub theme. Maybe we could give it another name as well. So that's the new grub theme. Maybe keep the same name and call it Viper and look for a snake kind of thing or something. I don't know, right? It's always a problem with names. You have to just have the imagination at the point in time, and then later it never changes again. So Viper it is. Okay, so we need to have a GitHub. So I'll launch Vivaldi. Oh yeah, that's still very much blank since I've cleaned everything up. So let's just pause the video and let me log in all these things so we have our tabs. I actually had to be somewhere else. I had to be on Firefox, of course, on the ArcoLinux ISO. That's where I need to create a Carli SDDM Viper theme, right? Naming. You always have to figure out some kind of logic structure in naming. Everything seems to start here with Carli. Then it's gonna be about SDDM, and it's not a configuration, it's a theme, and then a name, or vice versa, Viper theme. All right. That's gonna contain the same thing as we have on ArcoLinux. So this one, I want you to be here. Git clone Ctrl Shift V. So we got something new. We've got a, where are you? Carli SDDM Viper. One of the last packages is this one. I need just to read me, maybe the license setup up and this. Yep. Control C. And that's just administration, right? So it's gonna be the SDDM Viper theme. And yes, all credits to the developer, which we have here somewhere. Here, Gabriel. His work, not mine. And then source, right? That's changed. Then we will do the following. We will grab the code from Gabriel. We will clone this thing and we will put it on the desktop. Git clone, Ctrl+Shift+V. This Ctrl+X goes in here. Now this is a GitHub, right? So a Git thing. So .git by git ignore by the license we can keep as it is his license, right? One of the rules is that you say, well, actually I could keep that as well, is that you keep the same license as was used, which is in this case, I think the same, the GNU version 3. So simplicity, I definitely need to change the screenshots and the image, which is this one, and that's all. Let's do it, right? Another image. Now the image is actually a beautiful one. I really like it. So we can also keep it, but you know it, you've seen it, right? For me, it's not new anymore, but it's a beautiful one for that. What else can we do? The thing is, the way I plan things and the way I create things is, after a while, I still need to know where everything is put, user, share, and you tend to forget, right? So all the themes go in here. That's where all the themes go. Why not create a folder to show you the path? User, share, SDDM, and then you don't have to remember, because you just click on the folder, so you know where it's gonna be on your system. And for us, it's a good memory, a reminder of this thing is in user, share, SDDM, themes. And by doing this, we actually memorize where it is, user, share, SDDM, themes. And then we get simplicity. Now the name simplicity is dangerous because it already exists in packages and all that, and that's why we change, right? If you type in a Ctrl+Alt+T and you say yay and then SDDM and simplicity, you get all kind of things, right? And it will collide with that particular package if you keep the same name. That's one of the reasons we changed name. And we are going to change things, so we better change the name. All right. So that's that. Need to do something more, I see. So Carli SDDM Viper theme. All right. So starting from here, it gets interesting. So Ctrl+X, Ctrl+V. This can go then. This is a README from him, and this is the README from me, meaning it will be clashing. So I'll just rename this one README Original and pause the video. All right, that's done of dealt with. User, share, SDDM, themes, Viper. That's what we'll get. Let's start with that, and then always later on we can push more wallpapers to it. So The rest is maintenance. Check out the code, check out the videos. It's interesting to have everything online. So that's that, and we up this for the very first time. Okay, cool. Mistake. So here I have an idea. Here I say copy paste everything from, and that's not needed, right? This is for grub. I copy paste this from grub. So this can go, save, quit. So it's no longer a plus, it's just a regular up thing. Voila. First commit. So what do we have? We have this, this. Where are we? We're somewhere else. Let's go to here then. We have now a new theme called Carli SDDM Viper theme. I need to have a package built for it. Okay. Where are the package builds? The package builds, Eric has them, right? Go and learn. Where's the package build from SDDM Simplicity? Here it is. So where is the package build of Carli? One level up, you'll find them online in the Carli package build. I need to have a theme. And this is our SDDM elegant theme. So I start with this, Control V. And of course the correct name is Viper. And we started with the word Carli. Carli SDDM Viper theme Git. It's coming from GitHub, hence Git, which I should not say here, but I should say in a package build. Well, should. Anything goes. So that's what's online. That's what I have locally. I can grab this via raw, Control A, Control C, open this up, Control A, delete, Control V, save. Right? Next up, what else do we provide for you for free? The Simplicity Git install. Raw. Control C. Let's just call it install. And we'll rename it. Save. Oh, one back. I think one up here. And there's a build we don't need. Check it out, it's how I build stuff and it puts it automatically in the right folder. That's not important. This package build is, let's read everything. So Carli, Control H, every ArcoLinux becomes already a Carli, that's for sure. So replace. We don't have licenses, I think, in Carli. So we're not gonna make a folder for licenses. Carli SDDM Viper theme, right? I have to think, how did I name it again? In that order. Carli SDDM Viper theme Git. SDDM Viper theme. That's good. I'm gonna put it in user. You bet we are. 032301 simplicity theme from on GitLab. Okay. ArcoLinux ISO. Another GitHub. And package name is that thing. Yep. Without Git Eric. Otherwise it will not find it. Save. And we need all that. I think it's good. Right? Now the install does to use this theme and change following the lines. And we need to have a team name. That's not fixed yet. Let's just call it Carli Viper. What's this all about? It's actually about the name, right? Carli Viper, the theme name. So we need to check that. Save. That's in order. Let's move you out of the way. So this is okay, but this is not okay. Oh, we go to the code. Carli, no Eric. One up. Carli, Viper, grub theme, boot, grub. What's this? User, share, grub, themes, Viper. All right, cool. What am I doing? Where are you? Where are you? Carli SDDM. Here he is. User, share, SDDM, themes, Viper, and now. Theme conf. Come over here. Is saying take that background. So that's for later, right? We'll do the backgrounds later. So theme, screenshot, meta desktop. Aha. The name is no longer Simplicity. The name is Viper. It's an SDDM theme and the author is Gabriel. No problem with it. Copyright. Okay. Screenshot GPG. All right. Let's keep recording. Thank God for a pause button. But where was I? The name is Viper. Yeah. Screenshot, sure. Theme config, yes. I think everything can stay the way it is. Oh, super F doesn't exist here. So, Viper, it says the theme. Theme identity, that can't stay. That should be Viper. Save. All right, so we've got that. The main QML, we keep everything as is. There is no reference. Control find to simplicity. Simple controls, button QML, and this. So find me. Nope. Those are the images. Those are the faces. That's it. Viper is good to go. All right. Let's up that again. Let's up that again. So Viper. What do I mean by Viper? There shouldn't be any. So RG Viper should be there, and RG Simplicity should only be mentioned in the source, in the website. Yeah. Theme ID. Yeah, all those references are okay. So if we've got that online, we need a package build. So the Carli package build, SDDM Viper theme. We have an install. Oh yes, oh yes. We've renamed it, remember? So it's not package name, it's just install. Okay, and it's ArcoLinux and the package name. We can try to build it like this and see what we get already and think our way through all the errors. So this is the package, that's the name. It will get a user share SDDM themes Viper thing. there. And at this point in time, I have not changed the background, so we'll keep it as is for now until we see that it works. And then it's just a background. Like there are a trillion backgrounds out there. I definitely need to look for one that's nice. So at this point in time, we have a post install, post upgrade, post install goes there. To use this name, follow the lines, Carli Viper. Is that correct? Is that correct? No, that's not correct. We should use the name Viper. Save. I think so. That's one thing. Now what I've learned in the other system and the other system is on my GitHub. So what I've learned on the github.com/AirDuPois, that I have created a few package builds for all these grub themes, grub theme, right? And there is a package build where I thought, let's make things automatic. And this is what I did to make it automatic. So let's grab some code. Control C. This is what I did. Control V. Files have been installed inside user share SDDM themes and then Viper. Right. The files have been if okay, let's adapt this to what we need. If in sddm.conf case settings, copy, super F, right? If grep inside this, and what will I look in that file? In that file, I will look for current. Right? If current, if grep. If I find current in etc conf, then I'll change current into current all right Viper. All right, yes and no. Let's take a look again. Control Y. If current is in there, then all of this becomes current equals Viper. Then I don't have to type it myself. And where? Here. Right? Then it goes automatically. If there is the word current in this particular file, then change the current file to current Viper inside that particular file. Okay. Right. And it was, if it was not in there, then add it to the line at the end. But it will not happen in the ArcoLinux case. We could do that. We could say add it to the very last bit of the code. And what should it add? It should add this one, right? I think so. Echo that at the end. But then again, we have this word theme, so that's not gonna work. So we're not gonna do that. Too bad for the guys who have issues. We don't need to grub thingies. That's for grub. So the files have been installed to user server and Viper. If it's in there, if we find the word current, we replace it with current Viper. Now we could do something for the Arch guys. That is, if it's in SDDM conf, so all of this gone. If they define it inside the SDDM conf, then we'll change it in there. If only the word current is there. So that means that this one we will change this automatically for you, right? So that's the thing. We will do that automatically. We'll change this automatically for you. At this point, when I write it like this, if it has twice the word current, which it shouldn't, but it has. If it is like that, it will change. It will be changed twice, which is no problem. But who knows, right? So SDDM conf, let's have a look. Control find, is there the word current in here? No. Okay, so it's gonna work on ArcoLinux, on Carli, on LCI, and probably on Arch, right? Because if you don't use SDDM conf, it will not find the file. It won't do anything. We'll have to test it. Okay, so that means if close too much, yep. If we are building this thing, Carli, package build, Viper grub theme, SDDM Viper theme. Okay, if we would build this, make me a package. We're building that, and we say sudo pacman -u install Carli SDDM Viper theme. Now, first of all, we open up all Sublime thingies, because this one will have to be changed automatically. All right. Enter. We install that, we say yes. To use this theme, add or change the following lines in, we will change it automatically for you. The files have been installed in using the themes Viper, which should be correct. Let's have a look. The file system user share SDDM themes Viper, and we've got this all, yeah. And it should be changed automatically. Let's have a look. It's called Viper now, the current theme, and I think it will find it. Now, what happens if I uninstall it? Nothing really. We don't change it back because it's only install. Now, when I did here, I did a post remove. We changed back to something else, so maybe we could do a post remove thingy and get back, and that's of course our prerogative. We tell it to go back and change it to something we have, right? So we could say have been removed from user themes. If we find current Viper in there, then we change current Viper to, what was it again? Carli, well, nothing really. To current empty or something, or something default. Run ArcoLinux simplicity is something I have, of course. If we're on Carli, we don't have that. So one of those, or nothing, which is the blue default, which is not okay. Screenshot. That's the blue thingy. I don't like the blue thingy. Maldives is the best of them all, I think. Maldives, and run was looking like that, which is also not that bad. So choices Maldives. All right. So we put it back in current Maldives, so we have something at least. So if you find current Viper, you current Maldives. If grab current in, then we change the Viper into Maldives. Let's see what happens. If you got something else, you change something else. Huh? All right. Meaning that I can only test this if I build it again. I install it again. Nothing has changed because Viper current is there, Viper is there, so we see this. Cool. But when I remove it, it should change back to Maldives. Target not found. Yep, of course. Like so. Files have been removed from, okay, and here we click and we see the Maldives next time around. Okay, cool. We can keep it like this. So it's always decision time. It is always decision time. So this one needs to be Carli. Yes, we need to sign it. GPG detach sign Carli, and then we test it out on the real machines. So cut, yes, cut, and then one up. There's still package build, Carli repo, Control V. That's the name. That's the name. Carli, Control C. Yeah. Cancel. We put that online. Why do I need a name? If you want to have it on the ISO, maybe we should do something about that. Right, so Carli 12, Arch ISO, packages, all the way down. There he is. He was already there, right? So, okay, cool. That's in there. Viper, grub theme. Anything else grub-like? Control find. We can't have two of them. So the grub poly light, grub poly dark is out. What am I saying? Grub, no grub, no grub. SDDM. So SDDM elegant theme has to go, otherwise we'll have trouble in paradise. And I'm making some mistakes here. Yep. I see it now. Carli, SDDM, Viper, theme, Git, of course. That's the one that needs to go there. So again, SDDM find only that one is out. That's okay. That will be changed. It will find the current and it will say, oh look, I need to change the current, and SDDM is ready there. It's waiting for him in this folder, KD settings. By default it's current. It's elegant, it seems, so I'll change it immediately to Viper, so it's the way it should be. That's easy. And then we save it and we build it. And voila, another change to our system, Carli 12. It definitely needed a nice, because I'm an auto login guy, right? I always go straight through, but some of us, well, use the login screen, and then it should be nice as well. So we have this green Chinese, I don't know, Japanese, beautiful look of a garden. What am I talking about? Where are you? This guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy. That's what you'll be greeted with, not with enlightenment, but not with all the boxes, but with this beautiful wallpaper. Done. 36 minutes. All right. Have fun creating things for yourself.